Welcome to channel DintoyKids. Today we learn birds alphabet.
A.
A is for Anhinga. Anhinga.
B.
B is for Bluebird. Bluebird.
C.
C is for Chickadee. Chickadee.
D.
D is for Duck. Duck.
E.
E is for Egret. Egret.
F.
F is for Falcon. Falcon.
G.
G is for Gallinule. Gallinule.
H.
H is for Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
I.
I is for Ibis. Ibis.
J.
J is for J.
K.
K is for Kingfisher. Kingfisher.
M.
M is for Meadowlark. Meadowlark.
N.
N is for Nightingale. Nightingale.
O.
O is for Owl. Owl.
P.
P is for Pelican. Pelican.
Q.
Q is for Quail. Quail.
R.
R is for Robin. Robin.
S.
S is for Skimmer. Skimmer.
T.
T is for Tanager. Tanager.
U.
U is for Upland Sandpiper. Upland Sandpiper.
V.
V is for Vulture. Vulture.
W.
W is for Woodpecker. Woodpecker.
X.
X is for Xanthus Hummingbird. Xanthus Hummingbird.
Y.
Y is for Yellow Leg. Yellow Leg.
Z.
Z is for Zone-tailed Hawk. Zone-tailed Hawk.